Hello guys, welcome to How to Fix Tech. This video is very interesting for the user who want to install the Windows 10 on their machines. Okay, so first of all, the requirement for the Windows 10 to install. So you need to have at least 8 GB USB stick, and the second one is Rufus. So we will cover step by step. First, we will make a bootable pen drive, and the third option is ISO download. Okay, so we will cover step by step. First, we will download the ISO file, then we will install the Rufus and then make the bootable pen drive. And after that, we will install the Windows 10, and after that we will install the required software for the Windows 10 and updates. Okay, so let's start without wasting our time. So first, open the Google Chrome. Okay, now on the search bar, first we need to install the Windows 10 ISO file here. So I can ensure you, if you watch this video till end, okay, you are going to install Windows 10 easily. So you need to type here the download Windows 10 ISO image. Okay, and you will get the first link of Microsoft Windows 10 ISO disk image. Open that. Okay, and you will get two options here. This is, don't worry about that, but we need to create the Windows 10 media creation. Okay, so we need to click on this option, create Windows 10 installation media download tool, and we will install the tool here. Now you can see media creation tool is downloaded here. Now go to this option, show in folder, or go to file explorer and then go to download options, and let me cut it to the desktop so that you can watch the video properly. Okay, here is the media creation. Now you need to double click on that and it will make the bootable ISO. Okay, you need to connect with the network. Now you need to make sure that you have enough GB of the Wi-Fi network. You have at least 7 to 8 GB. Okay, now this will create the ISO of Windows 10. Now wait. Now this process will take around 30 to 40 minutes. So right now it's 4:01 p.m. Okay, now you need to check this option, accept Microsoft terms and condition, accept that. Getting a few things ready, wait. Now here you will get the two options here, upgrade this PC, but we are going to create the Windows 10 ISO image. Okay, click on second option, click on next. Now we need to just check here the use the recommended options. So untick this option. If you have 32-bit operating system, you can choose that. So how to check that? Press Windows plus R button together, or go to search bar, type a system information, and open the system information. And now you will see here the bit size. You can see here this. Okay, now at this point of time, most of the system are 64-bit operating based system, but you need to make sure it's correct. Okay, now we need to check also both option, but I'm choosing as a 64-bit and click on next. Now 8 GB of free disk space is needed on C drive. You can see here. Okay, so remove the file from your no longer. So I don't have the, now you can see it needed almost 8 GB of free space from the C. So I have to clear some data from C drive. Now again I have free up some space from my desktop. So you need to have at least 8 GB free space in your C drive. I click on next, and then I'm choosing here the ISO file. Okay, you can also choose the USB. It will directly make your bootable pen drive, but you need to insert it first like this. Okay, so you need to have at least 8 GB of USB. You can see here I have, but I'm using here the ISO file. So I recommend you to choose the ISO file if you need in a future. So you can also choose this option, ISO file, click on next. Now you can choose the location. I'm choosing here the desktop. Okay, Windows ISO file, save, getting a few things ready. Now downloading Windows 10 progress, you can see here. Now it will go to 100% and it will take some time. So I'm fast forwarding the video to save your time. Now it is 60% now. Now you will see the message creating Windows 10 media. Now it will also go to 100%. Now it is 95%. It depends also on the internet speed. So if I check my speed here, now my speed is more than 100. And now you can see burn the ISO to DVD. Now click on finish option. It might take few minutes. Okay, this is my download speed and upload speed is almost 50. Now you can see Windows 10 ISO file is here and it took almost 20 minutes hardly. So okay, so now we need to download the Rufus software now. So go to browser, have a Rufus download, and you will see this Rufus download. Click on first link and you will get the options like this. You need to just click on download option. You can see here the latest one. Okay, I'm choosing here 4.2. Close it. Now it is downloaded. Now go to download file here and click on yes option when the prompt opens. And also you can go to the search bar and then type Rufus like this. You will see. Okay, run it and you will get the options like this. Now insert your pen drive. It's time to insert your pen drive. All the data will be lost from your pen drive, so make sure you don't have the important data in your pen drive. So I don't have any personal data on it. So from here you need to choose here the Windows 10 ISO file. You need to click on select and go to the location where the ISO file is. You can see here Windows 10 ISO file. Click on open. Okay, now partition scheme, I'll leave it as default. UEFI, it's a system. You can see here the BIOS mode is UEFI is good. NTFS, I'm choosing here the latest one. Okay, now click on start. Nothing else you need to do. You can see here all the options. Okay, all the data will be lost. Okay, no issue. Now it will also take some time to make a pen drive bootable. Let me show you my pen drive here. It's now blank and it is making the Windows 10 bootable. You can see here the ISO file. Okay, and after that we will insert it. I will give these two links into my description box, Rufus as well as the Windows 10. Okay, so don't worry about that. These links. this link. So now we are almost done. So before the crossing to Windows 10, you need to have the bootable key knowledge. So you can search on Google what is the BIOS key for HP laptop. Now you can see here F10 or the escape key. Okay, for the Dell laptop, what is the BIOS key for Dell laptop? You can see here F2 or F12. In the Lenovo, you can see F2 or function plus F2. So this is how you need to have knowledge, and if you don't have knowledge, you can browse on the Google. So I will also give you to the all the popular key into my description box. Now you can see it is done now. So we need to close this, and let me refresh this, and I will go to this. Now you can see the Windows 10 ISO file is bootable now. So now we need to take out the pen drive from your computer. Right click, eject, safely removed. And now it's time to insert into your laptop, and I will make a video with my phone. So this is my pen drive. Okay, I'm going to insert it into the USB port. Okay, now make sure it is inserted correctly. Now we need to turn on our Dell laptop, and in the Dell laptop the bootable key is F12, and continuously hit the like this, and now you can see it's booting now. Now release it. Now you can see options here. Now you need to select your pen drive here. You can see my pen drive is SanDisk, so I need to use the down arrow key, this option. Okay, UEFI, and then click on SanDisk and click on enter. Hit enter. Now you will see the window is booting now. You will see the options like this. Now you need to select here the next option. Here is the next option, and leave it as default. Click on install. Setup is starting. You will get the option. Now if you have product key right now, you can insert it here. I will choose it later, so I'm clicking on I don't have product key. Now you can select here the edition which you want. Pro edition, Windows 10 home single language. Okay, whatever you like, you can choose that. I'm choosing here the home single language, and after that click on hit enter and select accept terms and condition. Click on next. Click on custom. Here is the option. I hope you can see it properly. Now here is the most important point here. You need to choose your drive here carefully. Okay, so you can choose it by the GB size. So this is my D drive, this is my C drive. I have already operating system in the C drive, so I'm choosing here the D drive. But if you don't have, you need to just delete that. In my case, I'm deleting the D drive. Yes. Now you will see the unallocated space here. Now you need to select here the next. Okay, the files will be installing like this. You need to wait now. Like 4 options will go to 100%. Now we need to wait. I'm pausing the video for some time. Now the second option is it is 78%. Now installing feature is also done. Installing updates is going on. Finishing up. Installing update is also done. Now you can see you can take out your pen drive now. Window needs to restart continuously. You can also click on restart option here. Now it's time to take out your pen drive. I'm taking out my pen drive. If you get any error, you can also leave that. But the window installation part is done now. The window is loading. Starting services, getting device ready, percentage. Just a moment.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help.
Now this is
A little
Cortana.
sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in. Your region is set to United States. Is that right?
Now I'm selecting here the India. Here is the India. Click on yes. Again you will get just a moment.
Your keyboard is set to US.
Also I'm choosing here the India. Click on yes.
Do you also type with another keyboard layout?
Click on skip.
Now let's get you connected to a network.
No, I don't want to connect right now. So I don't have internet. Do not connect with the internet.
The first one on the list. Just so you know, connecting to a network now could save you some time later. If you want to
click on connect with the limited setup here. Don't connect with the network right now. Now you can see here the PC name. I'm choosing here the Dell. Click on next. You can also type here the password. I'm leaving it blank. Click on next. And you can customize the setting. I'm turning off the locations. Find my device. Okay. Advertising ID. Inking. Only leave this option, tailored experience, if you are getting the Windows 11 update after that. Click on accept. Now you can see not now. You need to click on that. Just a moment. Hi. Now we are almost done here. You can see this might take several minutes. You don't need to do anything right now. Almost there. Now you can see window has been installed successfully, and I will show you the properties as well. MS Info 32, or you can go to system information, type that, click on yes. You can see Windows 10 Home Edition single language has been installed. Now you will get the Microsoft browser here. So you can see my mouse is not working. So in this case you need to update your Windows, or you can choose the external mouse. So I have connected the mouse here. You can see here. Now go to Microsoft browser. Complete setup, continue without sign in. Now type here download Google Chrome and connect with the network. So I'm choosing here. Now Wi-Fi is connected. Google Chrome. Download Google Chrome. Click on download now. Now the Google Chrome has been downloaded successfully. You can see you need to double click on its setup from here as well, or go to download option. I'm selecting here. Click on yes. Cut this option. and also go to this option, start menu, and click on setting, and we will update our window as well. Click on update and security, and you can get the option check for update. Make sure you are using the check for update and install all the pending updates. If something is not working like mousepad or the other thing is not working, you need to check for update and wait for the process to complete. Once the update is done, all the issues should be fixed and all the things will be good going. Okay, now Google Chrome is downloaded now. Okay, so this is how you can install the Windows 10 on your Windows machine or the laptop. So hope this video is useful for you. If this video is useful for you, hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching How to Fix Tech.